Hi friends, this is Praveen Kumar from Toppers World. Today in this video I am going to talk with you about why most of the students are not able to get 7 band in speaking despite the fact that they can understand English very well, they can speak English, but what happens, why they are not getting more than 5.5 or 5 band in IELTS speaking. The reason is that the kind of word they use at the time of actual IELTS speaking exam, that words would not help them to get 7 band. They use very ordinary words, very simple boring words. It's the reason that they are habitual of using those words. It doesn't mean that they don't know impressive vocabulary, they know, but they are not able to use them at the time of speaking because they are so habitual of using words like good, bad, very good, small, big. These are the simple low level words which will not help you to fetch 7 band. So in this video I am going to show you that what kind of vocabulary you should cram and make a part of your daily routine, so that at the time of real IELTS exam or speaking test you should be able to impress your examiner. So the title is for 7 band in speaking, what vocabulary you have to use. So few words are I have just written over there and I am going to share with you more words. For example, big. Big is a very common word. Even the word like huge is very common. But the colossal is an impressive word. It's not commonly used by the students of IELTS. If they use this word, they will definitely get good impression on the examiner. Similarly, good. Good is a very often repeated word. We have habitual of using good with every kind of thing. I am wearing good clothes. The food is good. He is a good person. The classroom looks very good, the book is good. So every time when you use good for every kind of your idea, then surely you will not get good score. So what you need to get, you need to get impressive score, not a good score. Even I am also habitual of using this word, but I try to improve myself. And so let's learn what kind of vocabulary should we use in order to get high band score. So let's see. So I have already told you that good is a very common word which is being used by the students. So instead of saying good food, you should say delicious food. I went to a restaurant and enjoyed delicious pizza there. Instead of saying good pizza, you should say delicious pizza. For dresses, you can use word like stylish. I love to wear stylish dresses or branded clothes. My friend Arjun always liked to buy branded clothes to look stylish. Buildings, for buildings it's not proper to say it's a building is very good or Taj Mahal looks very good. Instead you should say that Taj Mahal look majestic or majestically beautiful, or you can say spectacular. Taj Mahal looks spectacular or magical, spectacular. This is a great word to use. During the full moon night, Taj Mahal look majestic during the full moon night. Then for persons, for human beings, you can use words sincere, generous, brave, bold. If the person is very honest, you shouldn't say that he's a good person. You should say that he's a sincere. My uncle is very sincere and responsible person. If you want to say that kind-hearted, then you should say generous. My uncle is very generous. He donates money, books or other resources in poor and needy people. So in this way you can use other words than simply saying good. Good uncle, my good friend. Good is very low level word. It will not help you to get high score. So let's see next word now. Another word which is often used by the students, not only by the students, I think everybody use this word very commonly, that is bad. So bad, you can't say everything like bad, bad clothes, bad room, bad person, or bad picture, bad movie. So there are certain words that can be used to express different kind of things. Here for example the clothes, if somebody is wearing dirty clothes, you should say dirty, or filthy clothes. If the clothes are very dirty, extremely dirty, then you can use word filthy. Otherwise dirty is okay. His room looks very dirty. Shabby means same like which is not according to the occasion. The clothes that somebody wear very colorful or having flowery design on them, for them you can say shabby clothes. Dishonest people, dishonest, instead of saying bad people you should say dishonest people, or indisciplined people, unpunctual people. So this word is for humans. Instead of saying bad, he's a bad boy, you can say that he's an indisciplined boy, or he's a dishonest boy, he's not a sincere boy. Food, for food you shouldn't say bad food, it's taste bad, you should say it's taste awful. Last night I ordered a pizza and that was awful in taste. The next one is happy. Instead of saying happy, I'm very happy today, you should say that I felt elated today. Elated means very happy. And if you are very happy, extremely happy, then you should use word euphoric. I felt myself euphoric because my uncle gifted me a car today. So euphoric is a situation when you are extremely happy, extremely joyful, then you can use this word euphoric. Elated means you are simply happy but not very much happy. So when I got my result, I felt elated. Big and huge, both are very common in these days. So instead you should say colossal. Colossal it means same like very big. So you can say that I gained colossal experience while going for international tour. So big experience, huge experience. He collected colossal wealth by his hard work. So in this way colossal word can be used. Due to natural calamities, colossal losses are suffered by the people. For the word like small, you can say compact. I like the compact designs done by the interior decorator in my room. Or compact can be also used for certain devices, like it's very easy to carry laptop with us because they are compact in size. Itsy bitsy is also a word, it's a very interesting word that you can use. It is used for small body parts, like for example you can say that the child has itsy bitsy hand. Itsy bitsy hands of children look very beautiful. Saw is a second form of see, it's a verb, and we often use this word in our speaking, like I went to Amritsar, I saw a lot of traffic there, I saw buildings there. So instead of saying saw, which is a very common word, you should say glanced. I went to Amritsar, I glanced at many buildings there, I had a glimpse of number of buildings there. So glanced and glimpsed also in the second form, and can be used to represent past and can be easily used instead of saw. I had a glimpse of the, as a simple, if you want to use as a noun, then it would be glimpse, and a small glimpse, or I just had a glimpse of that beautiful garden over there, and I took a glance, as a noun you can use that. I took a glance, I glanced at them, and I learned about them, I learned about that thing by glancing at them. So glance word can be used instead of saw. Like, so like is simple, I like my cousin very much. Instead of say I have a soft spot in my heart for my cousin, I have a soft spot in my heart for my cousin. It means same that I like my cousin. If you want to admire somebody for his intelligence, then you can use word brainy instead of saying smart or intelligent. My younger brother is very intelligent, he can solve any problem in seconds. So you should say that my younger brother is very brainy, he can solve any problem in seconds, or he is too brainy to solve mathematical problems. We often use word told. He told me a wonderful story. Last night he told me everything what he did in his life. So instead of using word told, you should say narrated. He narrated me an interesting story about fairy girls, or he narrated me all the incident that happened with him. Narrated is a second form of narrate, and told is a second form of tell. So instead of using word told, you should use word narrated. For simple, you should use word ordinary. He likes to wear simple clothes, you should say that he likes to wear ordinary clothes. So ordinary is more tasteful word than simple. So friends, I hope that you will like this video and start using the words that I have just shared with you instead of using simple words, because simple words will give you only simple score. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.